Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to the SMJ-Tech channel. Today we'll be going through the Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial for inserting an audio into your presentation. Now I have this presentation in front of me and there might be a need sometime in your presentation where you need to include an audio clip or a video clip to your presentation, and today we'll learn how you can do that by inserting a clip into your presentation. So first of all, we have this presentation, a very basic one in front of me. Now I want to insert an audio file for this presentation slide and another one for this. So what I'll do is I'll go over to the slide first and I'll go into the Insert tab. The Insert tab has a lot of features in it, and we'll be going through them one by one sometime in different videos. Today, our focus is on the audio clips. So over here, you have on the very right hand side of the screen an audio button where you can insert an audio that's residing on your system, or you can also record an audio for that particular slide. You can include a walkthrough of that slide in your own voice. So let's try both of them today. So first of all, I'll try and insert a audio file over here. Let's just move this so it doesn't disrupt the other elements. So you can see as soon as I select this audio button, as you can see the button is not there in the output devices slide. However, it's there in the input one. So once I select this audio button, I get a lot of options in the playback tab over here. First, I have an option to play. So whatever I selected, it'll start playing that media. Then if I want to add a bookmark at the current time the audio, I can do that as well. I can trim the audio if it's I want to include a certain part of an audio file. I can trim that as well. It will give me this option. This is the entire audio file, and I can only select a certain area, for example, to include, and click OK if I want to. Right now I just chose cancel because I don't want to edit this file. And I can increase or decrease the volume. I can start it in a low volume, and also I can select whether this audio should play automatically. It should play once I click on the slide. For example, if I select click, then it will only start playing when I click on the slide deck. Also, I have a few options over here. First option is to play across slides. What it'll do is when I select this option, it will continue to play across all the slides that I have. So I won't have to end this audio once this slideshow ends. So this what happens. And if it's a small audio clip, it will you can choose to loop it until you stop it specifically. So it will keep playing without you being able to stop it. And you can also choose it to hide during the show. What this will do is, otherwise it will show this play buttons over there in the slide deck. Let me just do one of the things. I select play across the slides, rewind after playing, and I want it to play in background. So as soon as I do it, I will get this changed to automatic. So let me just skip it back so we can check out the changes that we apply to it. So let's see. I start off my slide deck. Over here you can see I didn't click the hide during show button, so it's there. So once I click on this slide deck, it has started to play. Let me just increase the volume so you can hear it. If it was set to automatic, it would have started playing as soon as my slide deck started. Now you can see that I've moved on to a different slide deck, slide in fact, and it's still playing. So that was a small demo of this. Let us select it again and see what happens if I do this and I want to play it in background. You can see that it auto selects quite a few things, and I can also select rewind after playing so that it starts. Basically, it's the same as you do it for you know for looping in until stopped. So let's try it again and start our slideshow. You see, I haven't clicked anything and it starts playing automatically. Now my slide will play out its other animations while the audio is playing in background, and it continues to play as I move on to the other slide as well. Now you see the difference. It keeps on playing until my slideshow ends. So let me just do one more thing and then let's move on to our next action item. I'll just remove this from playing across different slides and insert a new video. my bad, new audio. In the insert tab, I'll go into the audio tab, record audio, and I say output walkthrough, output devices rather, devices, and let's see. The first output device is the monitor. Then we have the printer where we print things, and we have a projector which you can plug into your computer and it will portray what's there in the computer as an output. We have speakers, then we have plotters, and we have LCD panels. So these are all different types of output devices. Okay, now let me just move it to click sequence hide during slideshow, and let's see what happens to our slides. First slide, and the music starts play on the input devices. These play out. Remember, I selected the record audio feature and I've kept it on click. You see now that's playing out. The output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. So this was a small overview how you can insert an audio to your slides. You can have a walkthrough recorded and placed as per your need. So you don't have to talk all the time during the presentation. You just play the audio and you sit back and relax. So this was a short video for your understanding in allowing you how to insert an audio file. Next time, sometime we'll cover how to insert a video as well. So until then, please keep watching the channel and liking the videos. Take care and bye bye.